Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to talk to you about an asset that has been performing insanely well here in the crypto space over the last coming weeks and months. And I'm proud to say here that the asset is called Virtuals. Now, Virtuals is an AI agent creation platform we're seeing a lot of AI agents actually being created on here, funded and launched. Okay, so this is a very, very interesting platform, basically pump.fun, but for AI agents. And this thing is exploding. Okay, over the last 7 days it's down 10%. The last month it's up 219%. The last year it is up literally 1400%. But if we look back at the start of January here, then you can see here that it actually exploded all the way up to $4.6. Okay, so it's seriously underpriced in my opinion right now. We will go into a price prediction very, very shortly. But the first thing I want you guys to do, if you like Virtuals Protocol and you're bullish on Virtuals Protocol and you think that this is going to go up, you've got to like the video. You've got to like the video. You like this video, it shows it to more people who can potentially get into virtuals as well. Okay, and they like it, they buy it, it puts your bags up. Okay, so likes equals equity. likes equals liquidity into the market. Perfect stuff. Now, let's look at this from a project perspective. It's an AI agent creation platform. You can basically create your own AI agents and tokenize them. And yeah, as I said, a pump.fun version of AI agents, which is a massive industry right now. And if we just look at now, this is the top AI tokens by market capitalization here. You can see here, AI agent tokens, sorry. You can see here that these have got hundreds of millions of dollars worth of value here in terms of market cap, and there's loads of them, right? They're popping off right now, guys, and they're growing like crazy. You can see Virtuals Protocol at the top of the creation of this massive trend here at $1.1 billion market cap. I can see this thing absolutely exploding in the coming weeks. And if we go over to the crypto bubbles here, you can see what coin is shining out of all of them in the top 100 right now. It is Virtual. It's grown the most out of every single asset right now in the last month. And in the last year, it's taken the lead as well. 1.3, well, near enough, 1.4 thousand% there. Crazy stuff. So that shows that it's doing very, very well, and it has got a great utility. So that is what basically Virtual Protocol is and how it's going to be utilized and how much potential it has. Now, let's really get into the chart and let's look at a price prediction for this asset to see how high this thing could be going. Now, before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about BingX. Now, BingX is actually offering a promotion. Now, the promotion here, if you sign up, you get a share of $5,000 for free. You don't need to deposit. You don't need to do anything. All you got to do is sign up. So sign up if you want free money, basically. Link is in the description. Go check it out. It's a promotion between me and them to give back to the community. So yeah, if you want to take advantage of that, guys, go check it out. Links in the description. Now, into the chart. Let's see what's going on. So you want to see a bullish chart? God damn, this is so bullish, okay? So you can see this on the 4-hour right now. What are we looking at? We're looking at a very clean upward sloping parallel channel. Now, this does have me slightly concerned. And you know, I'm completely honest with you guys, as always. This is technically a bad thing right now because these tend to usually break to the downside. Okay, and after such a significant pump, it is probably likely that we are going to see a dump. Unless Bitcoin does continue its rally up and we see Bitcoin all-time highs and then Bitcoin dominance starts to dip down a bit more, then it's very, very likely that Virtual will actually continue up and we will see highs, all-time highs get broken again like we did see basically early May last week. Okay, so it's not the end of the world here, but we do dip down and we do see this asset really start to break this this level of support that we have got basically here, here, and here, which basically touches the 3 times now. If we break that in terms of support, and then it's quite likely that we actually travel down pretty aggressively to our previous higher low. Now, the market structure higher low is actually down at 20, a little bit lower than that, roughly 27% to the downside here. But rest assured, guys, even if we get down here, as long as we don't break this low, then we are still in a bullish market structure, okay? Still absolutely fine. So overall, it's not too bad as long as we hold this area. And you can see the measure move here is actually way above this higher low. And the momentum that we get off this higher low is very aggressive, okay? You can see we actually banged it a lot of percentages here, 71% to the upside there from that zone. So you're probably looking at around a 30% move from this zone to the upside in terms of a nice bullish move there. Now, if we do break to the upside, very, very clean, very, very nice. I'm looking for A top side price of roughly around $2, $3, $4. Well, no, probably $3 is going to be the next move to the upside at the top of this channel that we're looking out for here. Now let's get into a price prediction for this asset. So $1.1 billion right now. Let's look at the volume. The volume is at 563 million per day. Okay, so let's look at that in terms of volume ranking right now compared to other cryptocurrencies. Actually placed roughly around this area, roughly around Chainlink, which is very interesting. Chainlink being a decentralized oracle, right, which is bridging the gap between Web 2 data and Web 3 data that other blockchains can use. Super interesting that the volume of Chainlink's actually just only slightly higher than virtual right now. So basic and AVAX as well. So basically it's saying that this asset is super, super strong, and it's a massive contender here in the volume race and the crypto race in general. So very, very confident to see that. Now, in terms of a price prediction, you've got to first take into consideration that the max supply is $1 billion. The circulating supply is only $652. So really, that's only 65% of the supply is on the open market right now. So if they were to distribute more supply out, this would have an effect on the price, which you need to be looking out for there. There is unlocking periods in process here, which is happening literally by the day, by the looks of this thing, and will end towards, well, it looks like it's actually ended February the 7th, 2025. So yeah, apparently it's already ended here over on CMC, which is a good thing. But you can see they've obviously got a massive lump sum in their treasury here, which is basically just sat there, which is fine as long as they don't sell into the market and pull the liquidity or anything like that. Well, I said pull the liquidity is the wrong terminology, but pull sell the token supply onto the market, which will affect the liquidity of the token, basically using you guys as exit liquidity, which we don't want, which is very unlikely that it does happen, but it's something we need to take into consideration. Market cap. Let's have a look. The all-time high was, what did we say, $4 billion? Was this 4 or 5? Yeah, $4 billion. I think being at the forefront of the AI agent trend and still holding $1.1 billion right now, I think easily double. I think easily double, guys. Easily double an $8 billion market cap. Maybe even a $10 billion market cap is absolutely achievable here. I'm going to say 10. I'm going to go 10x from where we are now. I think that's completely fine, which will put us at an $18 coin here for virtuals. Remember, it's only $1 billion supply. Very, very easy to get to. And if this is a $10 billion market cap, guys, if we look at that compared to the other cryptocurrency assets in the market right now, what do you see? Chainlink, Avalanche, Stellar. It's the same volume. It's exactly the same volume as these assets, but it's at the forefront of a trend. So it's very, very likely that it will get to this $10 billion market cap valuation. Okay, and that in terms of the price will be a 900 or just under a 900% gain from where we are. No, it won't. It'll be, we'll round it up. We'll round it up to $2. So that will be up to $2. Well, no, it'd be 18. Yeah, it would be a 10x. So we are looking at basically $900, which is actually $18. $18 an asset here, which is, as you can see here, 18.1, just under 900%. Yeah, I was right there. So yeah, 900% gain for this asset is likely in the next sort of year or two. Let me know what you think of that price prediction, whether it's achievable. This will be a $10 billion market cap valuation, guys. Super intrigued to hear your opinion on whether you think this asset can get there, whether you think I'm right. If you like virtual, smash a like in the chat. If you want free money, go to the description, sign up to BingX, and you will get a share of this $5,000. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.